Okay, Aaron's on a Dorado here in San Jose. It's the day after her birthday. Don't reel in too fast, honey, because I want to be able to get to the fish here before we gaff it. He's green? Let's see what he's... Is he worth keeping? Yeah, he'd be worth keeping, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. All right, well, let me get the gaff, and we'll get him.
I'd love to show him, but I can't.
All right, if you can lift him out of the water, maybe you get a shot at him. Let me do that. We might lose him doing this, but it might be worth a good shot, too.
Oh, he's a cute little guy. Oh, here. I'd rather gaff him. He doesn't want to.
Okay, take your thing.